Okay, the order of operations is not very optimal, and we can further refine our program. And let's assume that we want drilling operations to be performed first. That's why we find them on the list of operations. Okay, this is a drilling operation. This is a drilling operations. And okay. Let's select this operation and click the Move Up button. Okay, now the drilling operation is the first operation. Let's select another drilling operation, again move up, and okay, first operation is drilling and second operation is drilling. Okay, now I would like to machine my pocket. Let's find the pocket operation, okay, and select this operation and click Move Up button, and again Move Up button, okay. Now, to limit tool changes, we will move up circle helical milling. Okay, let's find this operation. This is the operation with tool 10. Okay, and select this operation and move up and move up again. Okay. 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 The rest of operations can stay in this order, and let's check now how long the entire machining will last. Show the all toolpaths and click the Quick Edit button. Okay, and now, hovering over the individual operations, a window will appear with the duration of selected operation. Okay, and this operation takes more than 29 minutes. And when you hover over the last operation, you can check the entire time of all operations. And all operations takes more than 1 hour and 2 minutes. Okay. Now we will generate the machining program. First, let's choose the post processor, and from the Home tab, select the Select Post option. A window will appear with the post processors installed by default, and select the Alpha Standard 3AX router post processor. OK. The post processor is responsible for generating the NC code appropriate for the selected machine. It is something like a toolpath translator from CAM system to NC code, understandable for a CNC machine. To generate the code, select the option Output NC, Output to File, and click OK. You have to indicate the location of the file. It can be the Alphacam Training folder, and save the program as P1 ANC. Here we can specify the program number, enter for example 1234, and click OK. OK. OK, the program has been saved, and now we can open our program. Just open the folder with the program file and double click the left mouse button, and by default the program will open in the Alpha Edit application. However, we can open it in any text editor. Okay, this is our machining program. Okay, let's save our project in Alphacam. Okay,